Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I just wanted to bring you something that I was reading and just want to share it with you. And I want to know your guys' opinions down low. If you think when these futures get pulled off on, I believe it's May 25th, if you feel like the price is going to go up in Bitcoin or if you feel like this downtrend is going to continue. So I just want you guys to put it down low, what your thoughts are. I just kind of want to gauge what the poll would be. So this is by CNBC by Kate Rooney, and it says launch of Bitcoin futures drag down prices, Fed paper shows. Bitcoin's drop following its peak near 20,000 was directly tied to the launch of a futures market, according to new research from the San Francisco Federal Reserve. The rapid run-up and subsequent fall in the price after the introduction of futures does not appear to be a coincidence. Four researchers say the regional Fed banks recent economic letter. The cryptocurrency's highest price lines up with the day the Chicago Exchange, excuse me guys, I have something in my throat, I apologize, or the CME introduced Bitcoin futures trading. Bitcoin's decline following a climb to nearly $20,000 was directly tied to the launch of the futures market, according to the research from the San Francisco Federal Reserve published Monday. The rapid run-up and subsequent fall in the price after the introduction of futures does not appear to be a coincidence. Four researchers wrote in the federal bank's most recent economic letter. It is consistent with trading behavior that typically accompanies the introduction of futures markets for an asset. And guys, I remember when we were all, or many of us, I'm not going to say all, but many of us were getting excited about these futures contracts because we thought it would bring in some more money. But in all actuality, these big guys were just shorting the heck out of Bitcoin. That's why we've seen this massive fall. So that's my question, that when these come off for the time being, is the price going to rise, or do you think we're going to continue in this downtrend? So please put that down low. And it says peak Bitcoin prices lined up with the day the Chicago Exchange, or CME, introduced Bitcoin futures trading on December 17th. That same day, Bitcoin hit a high of 19,783, according to the data from CoinDesk. The Chicago Board Operations Exchange, or CBOE, also opened a futures market a week earlier, but trading there was thin, the letter said. So you guys can see right in here, when they started to come in January, then we had that big sell-off that we've been dealing with here for about 5 months or so. Until futures existed, it was extremely difficult, if not impossible, to bet on the decline of Bitcoin prices, the researchers said. As optimistic investors continued to bid up, the cryptocurrency rose more than 1,300% in 2017. The pessimists, meanwhile, had no financial way to back a belief that Bitcoin price would collapse. So they were left to wait for their I told you so moment, the researcher said. The launch of Bitcoin futures allowed pessimists to enter the market, which contributed to the reversal of the Bitcoin price dynamics. As of Monday, Bitcoin was trading at about half of its pre-futures peak, near 9,365 as of 3:10 p.m. According to CoinDesk, the researchers compared this price reaction to mortgage-backed securities, which they said hinged on the same driving force of optimistic and pessimistic traders. As for why is a general fall rather than an overnight collapse, researchers said it could be a lack of attention or willingness to enter the market on the first week of trading. Futures prices and demand could be helped by any traditional financial institution becoming more willing to accept Bitcoin, and official recognition and regulatory acceptance of Bitcoin as a means of payment, they wrote. But a competing cryptocurrency becoming more widely used could cause Bitcoin to drop, because these tend to be a winner-take-all market, researchers said. And that's it there, guys. So I just wanted to bring this to you, and I just wanted your opinion. It was more so I wanted to read this just so we could kind of get a poll, and I just want to see if you guys believe it's going to go up from here on past the 25th, or if it's going to go down once these futures contracts come off. So you guys let me know down low. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'm just going to go get a little lift in here between clients and just enjoy the sun. We finally got a little bit of sun around here, so I'm thankful for that. But you guys take care. God bless you all.